Hey everyone! I found this crazy water simulation on my 3D printer. It looks so realistic, but it made me think of my beach trips and the annoyance of sand in my shoes. Then it hit me. Why not 3D print custom slides?
My friend who was making the slides forgot how to talk, so I will take it over from here. These slides are made in Blender 3D and printed in TPU. TPU is elastic and durable. Print time for both was like a fricking total of 60 hours. I considered selling these, but they take too much time to create. The labour price would be like frickin' 900 bands. Yeah, you see, these already look more comfortable than what you wear. I just gotta do one more finish to these goofy arse slides and they done. The finish is filler primer and Alex Flex, which is normally used for drywall, but is silicone based, so it is good for flexible parts.
Oh shit, here we go again.